Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is me telling you 10 beauty and skincare swaps that you need to make right now. So I'm going to share with you swaps that I made in skincare and beauty that changed everything that you need to make as well. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with face halo. This completely changed everything about the way I took my makeup off. Oh my gosh. I used to use face wipes to take my makeup off, to take my eye makeup off, to take my face makeup off, and typically I'd go through two to take my makeup off just to make sure it was completely clean. And obviously that is so harmful to the environment. It costs a lot of money, it's wastage, but most importantly it's really damaging to wildlife and the environment. So I saw someone talking about the face halo on YouTube and I thought, well, I have to try it. So it's basically like £18. You get 3 of them in a pack and it's like a microfiber cloth. You wet it and you just wash your makeup off. It takes everything off. Waterproof makeup, the trickiest of glitter makeup, any kind of makeup, it can take it off, and it's so much quicker than face wipes, and it also takes off a lot more makeup than a face wipe does. Usually if I washed my face with a face wipe, afterwards I might wipe my face with a tissue and there's still some foundation left on there. With this, you don't have that problem. It takes off every bit of makeup because the microfibers literally cling to everything and take it off. It even takes off glitter. It does spread glitter around your face, but it does take it off. And you can just throw it in the machine, the washing machine, to wash it. Or what I usually do is I wash my face with it and then I just use hand soap to clean it at that time, and every few days or maybe like once or twice a week I will put it in the machine to give it a thorough wash. Don't use any fabric softener with it because it damages the fibers. I saw someone saying that, so just use like a regular laundry detergent. But yeah, it's £18 for a pack of 3, so that's £6 each, and they last forever. I've been using this one for ages, but I also have more. I still use face wipes now and then, like if this is in the machine or whatever, but most of the time I do use this because it is so good. Okay, number 2. This isn't in any particular order, I'm just doing it as I go along. So number 2 is skincare, and it's CeraVe or CeraVe. CeraVe I'm going to call it today. I swapped to this a couple of months back, I think, and completely changed my skincare. I have been going through some very bad dry skin moments through this winter. Happens every winter. I typically have oily skin, but throughout the winter I go through combination skin and dry skin. So I have some issues, particularly around my eye area. I really struggle with dry eyes on top and underneath, cracked, peely, flaky skin. And I tried CeraVe. And I have a few products to mention because it literally completely changed my skincare. So first of all, I'm going to mention the hydrating cleanser. This is the CeraVe hydrating cleanser for normal to dry skin. It's a gel cleanser. It is a very hydrating, jelly, watery cleanser. I just use this before bed to fully cleanse my face, and it really gives you that moisture boost, that hydration boost. Your skin feels so amazing, so soft afterwards. I just love it. And then I use the facial moisturizing lotion. This is the PM version. You can get a morning and a night version. This is for normal to dry skin, and this is really good. But if you need more intense hydration, get this one. This is the moisturizing lotion for face and body, and it's for dry to very dry skin. So I've been using this a lot more lately because it really does completely hydrate and moisturize and repair your damaged skin. It is so good. I love it. And then the best one I would say is the eye cream. Like I said, I had serious issues with my eyes being so dry, so painful, so peely and flaky and red and sore. And I use this, and this is the Eye Repair Cream, and that kind of just stopped after a few days of using this. It completely changed it. And now when I get like a really bad outbreak on my eyes, I just use this for a few days and it completely repairs it. It is so good. Amazing. I still use other skincare like Nivea and Simple, but I would say CeraVe is a bit more pricey. I got a lot of these from Boots when there was half price sales or 3 for 2s. So just look out for those on Boots, and then obviously it's a lot cheaper for you, but it's definitely something you need to try if you're struggling with dry or damaged skin. So definitely check out CeraVe. Okay, next up is this. Now this is the company Bamboo, and these are cotton buds made out of 100% compostable bamboo. So there's 200 in here. I got these from Boots. It says Bamboo's mission is to help preserve the planet for future generations. We've developed biodegradable zero waste alternatives to wasteful products. Our bamboo and cotton are sustainably sourced and ethically crafted. These cotton buds will naturally degrade. Thank you for reducing your footprint. So this is what they look like. It is just literally the same as a normal cotton bud, but it's made out of bamboo. Amazing. And they're just gonna naturally degrade. How awesome is that? Now I typically go through a lot of cotton buds to clean up mascara off my eyelids, so I probably go through like one a day. So I go through a lot. So this is a big change for me. I needed to do something about it, because obviously old cotton buds are obviously damaging to the environment, to animals, they don't degrade. So obviously this is going to be so much better for the planet. I don't remember how much they were, but they were on Boots, so you can check them out, have a look yourself. But obviously this is a really big swap, a big change that everybody can do, because they're just exactly the same. They just don't have the plastic in the middle, and they do just exactly the same job as the other ones do of taking your makeup off or whatever you want to use them for. And it's just such an important swap. Okay, my next one is, I'm so sorry, I should have washed this first. But this is the foundation brush. This is the It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Foundation Brush. This actually came in a set. So I don't know if you can buy this individually, but if not, you have to buy the set. It is amazing. Before I used It Cosmetics brushes, not just this one, all of the It Cosmetics brushes that I have from this set are amazing. They're the best brushes I've ever used. In my opinion, they're better than Morphe, they're better than Real Techniques. I love them. I think the set has 5 brushes. It's the Heavenly Luxe Flawless set. I think you can get it online. I had it in the sale down from £100 to £50, I think. It has 5 brushes. It is amazing. And since I've been using these brushes, they just help my makeup look flawless. They're so easy to apply and blend makeup. They are amazing. They genuinely are my favourite brushes. I'm so glad that I bought this set. So I'm saying, if you haven't tried them, any It Cosmetics brushes, give them a try. They're amazing. They are pricey. They're not as cheap as Morphe or Real Techniques, but it is so worth it. Trust me. Okay, next one. This foundation. This foundation is amazing for full coverage. So I'm telling you now, if you're using really expensive luxury or high-end brands because you think that they're going to give you full coverage, stop, because you don't need to spend that kind of money, because this is just as good, if not better. So this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. Mine is in the shade F1. This is the most full coverage foundation from the drugstore, without a doubt. It is unbelievably full coverage. I would say, now I'm going to make a bold claim here. I would say it has more full coverage, or just about the same full coverage, as the Estee Lauder foundation. It's insane, and this is like a third of the price. Unbelievable. You don't have to spend lots of money to get full coverage foundation. Literally just use this. It is a dream. It is so full coverage. There's so many shades. It also has a matching full coverage concealer. It is so good. You have to try it. Okay, next one is this concealer, and the reason I'm mentioning this is because it is also so full coverage. So none of my other concealers are as full coverage as this one, so it's a swap that you need to try. This is the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer. Mine is in the shade Fawn. It comes in lots of shades, obviously, but literally you need a tiny bit of this and it gives you so much coverage. So full coverage on your face. It takes rid of all the dark circles, any redness. It is a dream. It's also super affordable. It's from the drugstore. So if you're spending, like I said on the last one, if you're spending really high amounts of money on high-end or luxury concealers to get full coverage, stop. I've seen people online compare this to the Tarte Shape Tape. I've never tried the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, so I can't compare, but other people have compared it, and this is obviously a fraction of the price, so it is really, really nice. Okay, next up is this powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I have the shade Fair 05. Now, I actually bought this in America, but you can also buy it on Amazon in the UK. It's actually not sold in Boots or Superdrug. Really unusual, I know, but it is the best powder I've ever used. I have the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, but this is better, and that was like 30-40 quid. This was like £10, £8 to £10, or in America it was even cheaper. It was dollars. It was like $6 or $7. It is the best powder in my opinion. It does an amazing job of setting your face. You don't need too much of it. It makes your makeup last all day. It stops oiliness. It is the beauty swap you need if you're looking for a good powder. It's also really good for masks at the moment. If I need to wear a mask for a long period of time and I need my makeup to be fully set in place throughout the day, I use this powder because it's really good for helping your makeup stay put, especially when you're wearing a mask as well, so that's another good tip. Okay, next up I have this L'Oreal Crushed Foil Metallic Eyeshadow, and the reason I'm mentioning this is because it is so pigmented. Mine is in the shade Diamond Dust. And I honestly don't own a more glittery, more sparkly, more pigmented eyeshadow than this. I would say this is more sparkly, more glittery, more babam than the Colourpop ones that I own. So it is really amazing. This is perfect if you're going to a party or for New Year's Eve, or just if you really want to be super sparkly, super glittery, super glam. This is perfect. I don't know if it comes in other shades. I haven't tried any, but this is just by far the most sparkly, metallic, glittery eyeshadow ever. So if you're looking for one of those, give this one a try. Okay, next up is this mascara. Now, if you know me, you know my channel, then you know that I'm very, very, very fussy with mascara. And I've got to be honest, no mascara in the world compares to the Kiko one. I've tried so many mascaras over the years and nothing even comes close to this one. Honestly, I like, there's other mascaras that I do like, but nothing has ever been as good as this one in my opinion. And this is like £8. I've tried Benefit mascaras, really expensive mascaras. I've tried drugstore ones. I've tried cheap ones. Nothing compares to these. Now this is the waterproof one because I don't have a regular one open at the moment, but the regular one is my favorite one. This is the Kiko Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. If you've been watching my channel for years, I have literally been raving about this mascara for years and years and years. I have so many backups in my collection because I'm so scared they're going to discontinue this mascara because it's the best mascara in the world. You have to trust me. I tried this after Kathleen Lights recommended this years ago on YouTube, and literally I never looked back. It is my dream mascara. It volumes your lashes, it lengthens them, it makes them look amazing, curled, perfect. This is literally the perfect mascara. And my last swap is this Morphe setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is a game changer. It really is amazing. It is literally like a gentle spray, a gentle mist, and it makes your makeup last all day long. It is about £16, so it's not as affordable as some other setting sprays that I have, but it is amazing. First of all, it's just like a gentle spray, a gentle mist, whereas lots of other setting sprays are quite aggressive. It's very watery on your face, they make your eyes water. This doesn't do that. It is so gentle and it literally covers your whole face, makes it last all day. It is incredible. I've never seen anything like it. I think that when they invented this, they really changed the game. It's unbelievably good. So yeah, those were all my beauty and skincare swaps. They are all the things that I would recommend you trying or swap into for a number of reasons. Some of them were better for the planet, some of them were more affordable, and some of them are just generally better overall products in my opinion. So I hope that you liked this video and I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!